Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Your hub for intriguing and educational content. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of frogs, those tiny slippery creatures that hold a significant place in nature. From their anatomy to their behavior and their crucial role in the ecosystem. We're covering it all, so let's leap right in. Frogs are amphibians, which means they can live both on land and in freshwater. Belonging to the class Amphibia of the phylum Chordata, frogs are a marvel of evolution. Did you know the most common species of frog found in India is the Rana tigrina, also called the Indian bullfrog? Interesting, right? But there's more. Frogs are cold-blooded or poikilotherms. This means their body temperature changes according to their surroundings. Imagine living without a constant body temperature. How cool and challenging would that be? Have you noticed how frogs can change color? This ability, known as mimicry, helps them hide from predators. For instance, a frog sitting on grass might turn green, but on dry land, it can become brownish. This survival trick makes them masters of camouflage. Now, here's something you might not know. Frogs disappear during extreme summers and winters. Why? They burrow deep into the ground to escape the heat and cold. This is called estivation during summer and hibernation during winter. Nature has truly equipped them for survival. Ever touched a frog? Their skin feels smooth and slippery because of mucus, which keeps them moist. Interestingly, frogs don't drink water. Instead, they absorb it through their skin. Imagine that for hydration. A frog's body is divided into a head and trunk, with no neck or tail. Their eyes are large and bulging, protected by a nictitating membrane which acts like goggles underwater. And here's something fascinating. Frogs have tympanums, or eardrums, located right behind their eyes to receive sound signals. Frogs have 4 limbs, short forelimbs with 4 digits and long hind limbs with 5 webbed digits. The webbing is nature's design for efficient swimming. Plus, male frogs have vocal sacs for croaking and copulatory pads on their forelimbs for mating, features absent in females. Let's talk about the amazing internal systems of frogs. Their digestive system is short because they're carnivores, eating insects and small prey. They have an alimentary canal with specialized organs like the stomach, liver, and pancreas. When frogs catch prey with their sticky, bilobed tongue, digestion begins in the stomach. Bile from the liver emulsifies fats, and enzymes from the pancreas break down food. Respiration in frogs is unique. They breathe through their skin in water, known as cutaneous respiration, and through lungs on land, known as pulmonary respiration. During hibernation or estivation, they rely entirely on their skin for oxygen exchange. How efficient is that?
Frogs have a 3-chambered heart, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Their closed vascular system includes arteries and veins that transport oxygen, nutrients and waste. They also have a lymphatic system, which is vital for immunity. An interesting feature of frogs is the hepatic and renal portal systems, unique blood connections to their liver and kidneys for efficient processing of nutrients and waste. Frogs excrete urea, making them ureotelic animals. Their excretory system includes kidneys, ureters, a urinary bladder, and a cloaca. In males, the ureters also carry sperm, combining urinary and reproductive functions, a design of multitasking in nature. Frogs have a well-developed nervous system with a brain divided into forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Their sense organs include touch, sensory papillae, taste buds, smell, nasal epithelium, vision, eyes, and hearing, tympanum. Did you know frogs don't have external ears? Instead, their tympanum acts as both a hearing and balance organ. Their eyes are designed for excellent vision both in water and on land, making them superb hunters. Frogs reproduce sexually with external fertilization. A female can lay up to 3,000 eggs in water. These eggs develop into larvae called tadpoles, which eventually metamorphose into adult frogs. This life cycle is a perfect example of transformation in nature. Frogs play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. They control insect populations, protecting crops from pests. Frogs are also a vital link in the food chain, serving as prey for larger animals. In some countries, frogs' legs are even considered a delicacy. Frogs are more than just croaking creatures in the rain. They're a marvel of nature with complex systems, incredible survival techniques, and significant ecological roles. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of frogs. If you did, let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of Knowledge Chronicle.